And we're back. It is Friday, December 5th, 2025. It is 6:30 and the market's open. We've got a couple red label events at 7 o'clock, so we're going to be taking it a little light unless we get presented with our A+ setup pretty quickly. We're just going to have a lot of patience, so let's wait these first 5 minutes, get these levels set, and see how the day goes. All right, 6:35. We have our 5-minute high, pre-market high with previous day high. We might see a retest down into this level, and if we have really strong price action to the upside, I will take that for a long. And then there is our 5-minute low that is pretty close to a liquidity level from November 14th of this year. And then pre-market lows all the way down here. So we just tapped into our pre-market high and our previous day high. I want to see the type of reaction that we have, see if the buyers are going to want to keep us above this level. And we'll hop into a long. However, it does look like this candle closed below both of these levels. And it does look like the sellers are starting to push down to hold it below. So let's just have some patience and keep waiting.
Order submitted.
So buyers were able to put on a candlestick reclaiming the previous day high along with the pre-market highs, sort of acting the same way that the 5-minute break and retest would do, except on the higher level. A little room to breathe. Ideally, I do want to see us come up and hit high of day, break above our 5-minute high as well, and see if we'll get another leg up. We do have about 13 more minutes until the 7 o'clock news, so if I could be done before then, that'd be awesome.
Order submitted.
I just added 2 more contracts, and I'm probably going to add 3 more once we break. Well, let's see. After this minute, I'll add.
Order submitted.
All right, just added the last 3, so I'm in a total contracts of 10. We just created and closed a 5-minute candlestick within right here that had a nice strong close above our pre-market high and previous day high. And we are following a nice upward trend. And an even steeper upward trend here. Approaching our 5-minute high, we might have a reaction here. What I don't want to see is a really strong dip reaction. Ideally, the buyers will be able to cut through this and go right to our first take profit.
Order canceled.
Nice, we just hit our first take profit. Move my stop loss up a little bit above break even, lock in profits. Got about 6 more minutes until 7 o'clock news. Let's see if we could tap our second take profit and call it for the day.
Order canceled.
There we go. We set our second take profit. All right. 6 more minutes until news. We had a beautiful test of the previous day high. It did slice down back into it, but then the buyers were able to reclaim it. That's why I hopped into a long here. It's the end of the day, end of the week. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and I will see you on Monday.